Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll be discussing what withdrawal slip means and what is it used for with the purpose of it. So when we speak about withdrawal slip, it is the complete opposite of the deposit slip or the pay-in slip that we have discussed earlier. Just like a pay-in slip or a deposit slip is used to deposit cash or check into your account, a withdrawal slip is used to withdraw money from your account. That means from your own bank account. If you have to withdraw money, if in case you don't have a check with you, you can use a withdrawal slip to get that amount or probably to procure that amount from your bank account. This is in case only if you don't have a check, you don't have a debit card on your hand, and that's when you use the third sort, that means the third method to withdraw money from your bank account, that is using a withdrawal slip. Let's understand few more details on this. Now, as stated here, it is a record of how much amount and on what date the transaction took place, whereby you have withdrawn certain amount from your own bank account. This refers to all the transactions. That means withdrawal slip is again a soft copy or probably a copy where it has 3/4 section related to the bank customer executive or probably the bank reference, and 1/4 is an acknowledgement for your user reference. Hence, when we talk about deposit slip and withdrawal slip, it's one and the same. The only difference is that one is being used for depositing cash into your account or a check into your account, and the other one is used to withdraw cash from your account. Hence, when we talk about a withdrawal slip, it is a record of how much amount and on what date the transaction took place, referring to the amount being withdrawn from your account. It also states that it is a withdrawal from your own bank account instead of using a check or a debit card. So instead of using a debit card or a check, you can use this withdrawal slip if in case you don't have either of the check or ATM withdrawal cards for your reference. This withdrawal slip has certain details. It includes date, bank account or bank name, withdrawal amount in words as well as in numbers, signature, that means your sign, and few more details that are mentioned down here. Let's go through them one by one. The first refers to the date. That means the transaction takes place on one specific date. That date has to be mentioned. If you're withdrawing amount today, that means today's date has to be mentioned there. If it is supposed to be done tomorrow, tomorrow's date has to be mentioned there. And it is only on the real-time basis that you can use this thing. It cannot be a post-dated withdrawal slip or a pre-dated withdrawal slip. Hence, it is only the current dated withdrawal slip that can be used or can be enforced for withdrawing cash from your account. Bank name is mentioned on the withdrawal slip as to which bank account you're referring to and which bank account or which bank name is that you're withdrawing the amount from. Amount in words and numbers. Both the amount is supposed to be mentioned in words and numbers itself in that withdrawal slip. It may be a pink slip or a pink color slip that can be used for withdrawing the specific amount from your bank account. It also has two other things: the account number from which you wish to withdraw the amount and the signature, which will act as an acknowledgement copy that it is you who have withdrawn the amount from your own bank account. Make sure withdrawal slip only uses the owner or probably the person of that account itself. No third party can go ahead and withdraw using a withdrawal slip. For them, they have to issue a check itself. Hence, when we talk about withdrawal slip, unlike a deposit slip whereby a third party can go ahead and deposit amount into your account using that deposit slip, however, for withdrawal slip, a person or the owner of the bank account itself has to go ahead and make sure that the withdrawals are done from him. So this is what we had to discuss about withdrawal slip, and hence this video will make it very clear as to what details are supposed to be required. Just as a recap, withdrawal slip is used to withdraw cash from your own bank account when you don't have check or a ATM debit card with you. It has 5 details which are recorded as follows: date, bank name, amount in both words and amount in figures, the bank account number, and your signature is supposed to be mentioned there. So all these details are pretty clear when we talk about withdrawal slip. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and keep subscribing to Ekeeda.